shakalaka. Oh my god! Oh!
Yes! Yes!
Oh my god!
Oh, that was fun.
You did so good.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we got something a bit different to talk about in World of Warships. I mean, it's not really a new game mode, but it sure feels like one. It's the art of dodging torpedoes. Just kidding, although dodging torpedoes is an essential skill. Anyway, before we dive into that, let me confess something. I make plenty of mistakes in this game, and sometimes the outcomes aren't quite what I expect. And that's perfectly okay, because every mistake is a chance to learn and improve. And who knows, maybe you'll pick up something useful along the way as well. So anyway, let's get right into it. Whether it's mastering torpedo dodges, exploring new ships, or just having a blast on the high seas, we're in for one exciting journey. Maybe some chaos, maybe some tears. Who knows, it kind of happens on here now and then. But anyway, have fun and enjoy. So we got a destroyer going middle. A cruiser going? Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna take this flank here. We can worry about the middle over there. Maybe a sub would come that way. We should be okay. So we've got eyes up ahead, so let's see what we can snipe. Oh, look at that. Nice. Gonna, oh. Come on. Oh my god. Come on. Oh, that would have been juicy. Oh, it's even better. Really? Well, that was a good waste of a shot. That's probably why. Do my homework first. Subs. Gosh darn it.
Spotter returning to ship.
Not so nice. We need to get out of here. Go, go, go! Destroyer's gone. Not worth the ammo. Where'd it go? Clear that. Oh, AP. Oh, look at that. How long before he switches over?
I need intelligence data. Requesting support.
Crispy, crispy! Nice, nice! And look who's there. Right, little bugger.
Torpedoes astern. Torpedoes astern. Torpedoes astern.
Oh, I should breathe. Oh, you know what sucks? We're gonna lose that carrier. There's no one in mid. Ah. Where were you last? Where are you going? Oh my gosh. Haven't you got anything better to do than chase a poor Colorado? Jeepers! And the middle is wide open. That's not good! And half our team is everywhere! Follow me, my precious! Come on! Oh my freaking god! You missed my slow ass! Where is that little shit? And there's the destroyer to sink a carrier. Whoopity frickin' do. What the heck is everyone doing? Oh, yes, yes, yes. He's waiting, isn't he? Okay, let's see if we can possibly... We'll cut across maybe. No.
Torpedoes to port.
Oh, two. Give me two.
Torpedoes to port.
Ah.
Breach. We're taking on water quickly.
Okay, it's on. It's on! didn't flank. Went down the middle. Okay. Oh, look at that. And again. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Stop, 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 stop. Stop. Oh! Oh my god! Someone kill him already. Oh, I'd love to sink that darn thing. Maybe one salvo. You won't be in the smoke. Show yourself. Ah, no, I can't. I need that frickin' thing. Okay, okay. Let's spray and pray. Come on. I know the dispersion's gonna suck. Come on, come on. Oh my freaking you lucky son of a dog. Okay. Oh, should I hunt him? Or just leave him? Oh, okay. Alright. I'm sick of this damn sub. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Where are they? Where are they? Where are they?
Torpedoes astern!
Oh. Okay, come on, come on, come on!
Torpedoes astern!
Get ready, get ready, get ready. Turn, turn, now, 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 now. Oh.
Torpedoes astern! Teammate, I need your support.
Woo.
Torpedoes to starboard!
Oh my goodness! Okay.
Problem solved, sir.
We need to cancel him pretty quick.
Standing by for instructions, over. Torpedoes astern!
Am I gonna eat these?
Torpedoes astern!
Yep.
Torpedoes astern! We're below the waterline. We're flooding quickly. Standing by for instructions, over.
Okay. For real. You need to die.
Torpedoes to starboard.
Uh-huh.
Standing by for instructions, over. Torpedoes to starboard. Torpedoes astern.
Okay. We've got this. Let's do it. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Okay, maybe it was not a good idea. I should have just kept going left. Oh, better dodge these. Nope.
Torpedoes direct front. Below the waterline. We're flooding quickly.
I don't care. It's freaking annoying.
Standing by for instructions, over. Problem solved, sir.
Oh my gosh.
Our team has taken the lead.
I'm gonna die.
Battle
I got a
ends in 5
stinking
minutes.
suspicion he's probably gonna flank. Where are you, little bugger? I am so a sitting duck. Oh, my precious, come to me! Blow him up! Come on, come on, come on! There's no way I could shoot him. I'm so screwed. Turn it! Come on, come on, come to me, come to me! Suck on these! No! He's gonna ram! Ah! Oh my god! Yes! Come on, where are you? Where are you? Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? He's going to ram! Come on, come on! Oh. What a stressful game. Felt like Das Boot, but the Surface Edition. Oh. You've been a pain in my ass the whole game. Come on, come on, come on. Oh. Oh, you failed. Here, here, have you. I'm a dumbass, I missed. No, 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 no. Come on. No! Oh! Son of a rudder!